Hello YouTube, this is Brian here from Reset Games. Great to do another great video for you all. Today I'm going to be talking about CCleaner and where to get it and how to use it. Now, so I'm on the Windows 7, my laptop at the moment, which is Windows 7 64-bit Home Premium. My browser is Firefox, and I'm going to show you where to get CCleaner. And the free open source software, and it's pretty good as well. And yeah, it does the job, it cleans cookies, the whole lot and everything, so I'm just going to show you where to get that now. So as in previous videos I mentioned before, you can get it from FileHippo, which is an open source software which is free, which is great, so that's where I'm going to go now to get it. So we type in FileHippo and click on here, and here we are on FileHippo. Now as CCleaner, I'm going to click on it. Always download the latest version, because all the versions have tweaks and bugs in it, so just download the latest version, maybe, like, you know. Best thing to do anyway. So I'll click save file, and I click on the download arrow. Now I'm going to install it. Now as you can see, it's a verified publisher called Farm Limited and CCleaner. You click yes. Now it's extracting. Here we go. Okay, click install. Now it's installing the program now. And now, so take the box and you're on CCleaner. And here is CCleaner. What this generally does is it cleans all your temporary files from your browser, like say Internet Explorer. Also gets rid of all the stuff from Windows Explorer 2, as you can see in the window below, and also your system files like temporary internet files, memory dumps and all that. But what we were going to be focusing on is getting rid of cookies and your history and all that. So if you hit cleaner, click analyze, it'll analyze the whole machine and it'll go through. If there's any cookies left over, you just click run clean and it'll get rid of them all for me, just to show you how it works. So there we go, we have a few files there anyway, so if you run cleaner, right, click OK, and I get rid of them all for you. And there you go. So I have to free up some space on the machine. Also it does registry stuff. Now I'm going to say something now, but it's very important. If you're going to do this thing with the registry and you're on the scan for issues, make sure you do a backup of your registry, because if you don't, something might not work as such. So better have to save your thing each time to for your registry, because it could upset a program or two you may have installed in your machine. So it's very use with caution. Always back up your registry before you use that one. And it does all that. Gets rid of missing DLLs, the scans for all those things ticked in the box there. Then we have tools. Then it's a bit like how can I say? It's a bit like iOS Uninstaller to install programs, but I recommend you use iOS Uninstaller, because this one is just like control panel in a nutshell. And as well, it does all that as well. But you see this one here? Do not click on that drive and click wipe. If you do that, it'll completely wipe your Windows you have not on your machine, so possibly stay away from that. It's not a good thing to do. And also this is the tools option, or the options button, I mean. You have different settings on it. You can actually have it on the background if you like, and at least it works in the background. Same with cookies, you can get rid of all those if you want. They're stored in your machine, but if you run the cleaner, I'll do it for you anyway. And monitor your machine as well. I'm using the free version anyways, and you use advanced options as well. You can go into that as well, tell them what it's all about. And if you want to upgrade, it'll actually cost you. The upgrade will pay for whatever license you need for it. So like I said, that's a good video on CCleaner, like, you know, on my Windows 7 64-bit Home Premium on my laptop. And please subscribe to the channel and leave a like down below in the comment section below, and follow us please. We're on Twitter as well, and also on YouTube. So yeah, this is Brian here, and from Reset Games. I'll see you next video.